As the U.S. flu season worsens, the Centers for Disease Control today said it's partly because the flu vaccine doesn't match most of the circulating viruses. Even so, health experts urge you to get a flu shot. In Philadelphia, the health commissioner recommends that shots for children between 6 months and 5 years old, pregnant women, people 50 and older, people who live in nursing homes, and healthcare workers. 9 city healthcare centers have the vaccine. Well, an ancient remedy gets a new life in the medical field. Medicinal honey is doing wonders for some wounds and burn victims. Fox 29's Carrie Lee Halkett has the details, and we warn you, some of the images you're about to see are graphic.
It can take wounds and burns weeks or even months to heal. A new product is now being used in our area that is significantly speeding up that healing process.
It's kind of old stuff. That's new science.
It's called Meta Honey, and yes, it contains real honey.
If you smell it, it smells exactly like honey. If you taste it, it tastes exactly like honey.
The honey is from the pollen and nectar of the manuka plant in New Zealand. There's something unique about the bees in combination with the manuka flower that make this honey special.
The worst part of the wound has done the best under Meta Honey. It has various antioxidants and natural anti-infectives that are resistant to bacterial growth.
The Meta Honey patch is placed directly on the wound and then covered with a dressing.
You apply it to the surface of the wound. It'll absorb fluid up into the dressing, and then if you cover that with another dressing, it'll transmit the fluid up through to the secondary dressing.
Dr. Jim McGuire says Meta Honey actually acts as a barrier and reduces bacterial growth, allowing wounds to heal faster. You can see the dramatic improvement in this leg ulcer after just 10 days.
This wound has healed more than 50%. It's got a small amount of wound to heal, and this went on to heal. The patient was just in last week. It's totally, completely healed and looks beautiful.
So far, Dr. McGuire and his team have used the product on about 10 patients at his clinic at the Leonard Abrams Center for Advanced Wound Healing. That's at Temple University Hospital.
So this is actually a dressing that has the capacity to expand our sort of armament.
The product is now being used to treat soldiers in Iraq who have severe wounds and burns.
I'm very excited. I've been trying to use it on more and more patients. I'm excited. It's a great dressing.
Every year, about 100,000 diabetics lose a limb because of non-healing wounds. This product could reduce that number. Meta Honey is also a lot less expensive than other wound care products currently on the market. I'm Carrie Lee Halkett, Fox 29 News.
Meta Honey also worked well during a German study for children with cancer who had non-healing wounds from radiation and chemotherapy. It is manufactured by Princeton-based Derma Sciences.
A Nobel Prize-winning biologist says scientists are no closer to developing a vaccine for HIV than they were 20 years ago. Professor David Baltimore's research helped lead to the discovery of the HIV virus. Now, he thinks the virus is so evolved, it's figured out a way to completely fool our body's immune system. A disturbing